Hello my friend, let me introduce myself. My name is Yosyawan Maning 2025-5916. I will explain the English material for Unit 3. Active 1 Prediction. What is the most important concept you learn in this unit about photosynthesis? In my opinion, the most important concept is how plants convert their energy into chemical energy. One I learned that is chloroplast play a vital role in this process, speaks for the line-dependent reactions occur in the dichord will the Calvin curve takes place in the drum and products glucose. It is Hodgkin who was chloroplast to absorb sunlight and transform carbon dioxide and water into energy that support almost alive 1 hour. Vocal fruit uses complete length dependent reactions Calvin curve goes chlorophyll carbon dioxide. Active 2. Short presentation. Topic that full text of photosynthesis. Introduce. Good morning everyone. Today I would like to explain the two main stages of photosynthesis, the line reactions and the dark reactions. Calvin curve. This process is the primary way energy enters our ecosystem. Key facts: 9 dependent reactions. These occur in the cloud membrane, sunlight tricity, chlorophyll slitting, water molecules, and releasing oxygen. Each of this site produces ATP and NADP. The Calvin curve takes place in the stromal descent line. It was the ATP and NADPH from the first stage to convert carbon dioxide in heat energy sugars glucose to collate with T is to introduce stage plants correlate production the organic compound and oxygen that will reach the surface in the height of an biological for activity 3. Replay student biology tell student. Excuse me, Chairman, could you explain the brief function of exploring in its photosynthesis structure of course chlorophyll is pigment that explore line energy premium in the blue in eclipse to power the chemical reaction studio. Is silver in which water so important the line dependent style. The water molecule and spin during process for the photosynthesis is provides electron to replace by chlorophyll and oxygen the anthropos. Is okay? Maybe this is what I can explain and thank you. Bye.